Hey everyone, welcome back to the mid-unit 6B review. Here I'm doing the long division problems. I didn't want to do them by hand because it's long division, and I figure the easiest way to go about it is by showing you on the calculator because you're most likely going to get a multiple choice question of it on your test. So type all this into your calculator. Okay, you need to graph this in its entirety. When you type that in and you graph it, it's going to make a fraction. So I have a bunch of stuff typed in. So here it is. When you press enter, it'll make it into a fraction. And then what you just need to do is type in your answer choices. Do it one at a time. You don't have to do it all at once like I did. Um, but I just did that so you can see that A is not the right answer. B is not the right answer. C is not the right answer. D is the right answer. This is what you're looking for, an overlapping graph. If the graph overlaps, then you know what the answer is. I know the answer is D because it makes the same graph. You just have to type in the exact same thing that you were given to start with and then your answer choices. Okay? So moving on to this last one, um, here the letters are A's. Change those to X's. Anytime the letter is not X, change it to an X and then graph it. So here I have it graphed. I need to scroll all the way up to F6. So here's the original graph. Okay, again, use parentheses for here and you use parentheses there. And then when you press enter, it'll make it into a fraction. And then graph answer choice A. And then if that's not the answer, graph B. So here's A. Right away, you can tell A is the answer. So I don't have to graph B, C, or D. But just so you can see it, there's B, there's C, there's D. So the only answer that it could possibly be is A. Okay? As long as it overlaps, that's the answer. That's the point I'm trying to make here. So any of these um, other ones that we did, we could do it in the graph. Like number 7, you could kind of do that one in the graph. That one says evaluate. I think I have that done way over here. You just have to plug it in and press Control T. It says x is -2. Press Control T. When x is -2, it's 0, which is what we got. Um, this one you could graph it, see what's overlapping. This one you can graph, see if it overlaps. This one you can graph, see if it overlaps. Number 3 I made a mistake on because I graphed it and it didn't overlap. So number 3, where do I have that graphed? I want to say right here. So number 3, type in the original, type in your answer, and you see that I made this mistake here. It was -2 times -4x, and then I said that was -8x right here. Um, and so two negatives make a positive, so it should say plus 8x. So instead of a -3x, it should have said plus 13x. So um, here's the -3x, and it doesn't overlap. So what I did was I graphed the plus 13x, and it does overlap. So yeah, that's how I knew I messed up. And yeah, there's the correction for number 3. So anything with an X in it, you can graph it and you just overlap. Um, and if it doesn't overlap, that's the wrong answer. So yeah, and then just look out for your signs so you don't mess up like I did. But other than that, thank you for watching and good luck on the test. Like and subscribe if you want. Thanks. Bye.